Hello friends. Today I made a self-watering pot from an old bottle. So easy. Follow the video. I really like using the self-watering system at home. Using the self-watering system is a fun, water-saving and easy way of gardening because you don't need to water the plants every day, just every 3 to 4 days to fill the water reservoir. In this tutorial I will plant red Romani lettuce. For those of you at home can try with other vegetables. This pot is suitable for vegetable plants, especially leaf vegetables such as mustard greens, pak choi, lettuce, kale and others. In addition, it can also be used for ornamental plants and fruit. It's fun gardening at home. I hope you guys like gardening too. Subscribe to my channel and happy gardening.